Here we go, folks. Michael Platt, Platt Motors, Anderson, California. Wow, this brings back memories. 1971 Volkswagen. The owner calls it an adventure wagon. I seen signs of Westfalia inside. It's got that classic 1600cc engine. Runs good, fires right up. Got a neat paint job. Whoa, deadheads, where you at? Is there any left? Got that neat pop top. 71, lots of stickers. Gonna take this on consignment. I think it's super cool. 1600 sounds healthy. It's got a few issues on the body here, but it's still got the VW sign. There we go. There we go. There we go. There we go. See some cracks there. See some rusty spots in the bumper. Take a peek inside real quick. I was a big fan of the 71 because it had the upgraded brakes, still had the 1600 engine. Whoa, Campmobile. I see a Westfalia tag right there. Looks like the old Westfalia seat to me. Looks like it's got some tears in it, some tape on it. So hey, I know the Dad's gone, Bobby's gone, Jerry's gone. Billy's probably chilling in Hawaii. Mickey's probably playing drums somewheres. But hey, maybe you're going out to go see Billy Strings or Fish, right? Fish is still around. There you go. You still need a bus. Gosh, I had a lot of these in the 90s. Basically started my my whole career with them. Started with Volkswagen Beetles. I graduated to buses. I must have had a dozen or so. A door panel, you know, it's functional, but it's seen better days. But gosh, he's purring like a kitten. No horn. I see a aftermarket dash, 33,493, true miles unknown. Lots of stickers. Some Humboldt. We're out in Humboldt right now. That's where we're at. Arcata, California. It's kind of home to the hippies right here. We may be able to sell it locally. But hey, if you're looking for a cool VW bus, you should give me a call. Like a kitten. Get one of those VW idiot books like I used to have. You'll be driving cross country in no time. It's summertime. You know you need a bus. 1971 Volkswagen bus. Adventurewagen, Campmobile, Westfalia. You know, the more that I look at it, the more I like it. Feel free to give me a call anytime, 707-599-9448, plattmotors@gmail.com, plattmotors.com. Here we go. Volkswagen bus time. Call or text anytime. Appreciate you looking at my videos. I look forward to talking to you soon. And I've been to plenty of dead shows in my day. Got some good fish stories too. So yeah, you like that kind of stuff? Give me a buzz. Let's talk Volkswagens. Thanks.